Hey SES family, this is Chef Bobby and my assistant.
Chef Jude, 7 years old, 4 feet 9, originally from Bel Air, MT, the current WWE heavyweight champion, 4 times in a row.
Alright guys, today we're going to do something a little different. I know we usually bake things and make treats, but considering how hot it's been, I was actually talking to Miss Wynn last week, and she had come up with a recommendation, and we are actually going to make ice cream today. Here. So we're gonna do a vanilla ice cream, and then we're also gonna do a chocolate ice cream. So let's go ahead and get started. For this recipe, you're gonna need salt,
Cup.
half and half.
And 2 bags.
Yes, 2 different size bags. We're using a freezer bag that is 1 gallon,
And a
and this
freezer
is
bag.
a quart size.
Yes.
You're also going to need vanilla extract,
And you're going to need this.
sugar,
Baking cocoa.
ice, and then you will need unsweetened baking cocoa.
I
This
already
is
did
just
that.
for the chocolate ice cream though.
I already
Okay,
did
so the
that.
first thing we're going to do, Jude,
Mhm.
we're going to do 2 of these bags, because you're going to do one and I'm going to do one.
Okay.
Because I'm going to make chocolate hazelnut ice cream.
And I'm going to make the vanilla.
Yeah. So what you guys can do is, when you have all your stuff out, think about things you may want to put in your ice cream or on your ice cream, like Oreo cookies, sprinkles, what are some strawberries,
Ugh.
chocolate chips, just anything you want to. Animal crackers, if you want animal crackers.
Ew.
I don't know. So
chocolate.
think about things that you want to put in it and just be creative. I mean, it's your ice cream. Nobody else has to eat it but you.
Chocolate chip sounds a little more better than actual crackers.
Yeah. All right, you ready? So let's go ahead and we'll start
I did
with our. We need to get 1 cup of half and half for each bag.
Can I do it? You do it.
I'll do the first one. You can do the second one. So 1 cup is right here.
No.
Look, it's over here.
Cups.
No, we're gonna do, because we need to be exact in our bags. If I do 2 cups and then try to divvy it out, I could give you a little more or me a little less. Okay. So you show the camera how that's 1 cup. Point to where the 1 cup is.
1 cup, half and half. And can you see it?
All right. So I'll hold up your bag.
No, I can do it.
You can do it. Let me
Let me.
Now get a parent or grandparent or aunt and uncle or any adult or somebody to help you, because it's very tricky to keep these bags from falling over while you're trying to get all your ingredients in it. Nope, just leave it just like that, because we got to put other stuff in it. Okay? So then I'm going to do my cup of half and half.
My dad actually looked up this recipe.
I did look it up.
He's cheating.
Miss Wynn actually told me how to make it. Thank you again, Miss Wynn.
But he cheated.
But I forgot what I was supposed to put in it, so I looked it up.
So he cheated. He cheated. He's a cheater all the way.
I'm not a cheater. I just want it to turn out for everybody. Is that so wrong?
Not that much.
I'm just kidding.
And also, here's some good news. I am in Descendants, the musical, as Carlos, that white-haired guy, Carlos' son.
Cruella DeVille's son, Judas Carlos, this week in Descendants.
And it's 5 to 18.
Yes, Moana's over. He did great as Tomatella. So let's go ahead and we'll get back to putting everything in our bags. So the next thing we're going to need is 2 tablespoons of sugar. Let me show them what 2 tablespoons is.
Okay.
That's a little tight today. Show them this one.
Yeah, I did.
Okay. So 2 tablespoons of sugar.
Can I do it?
Yeah.
I'll do mine, you do yours.
All right. So 1.
Oh yeah, you did a little more than a tablespoon.
No, it just had a lump in it. 2. Your turn.
Me turn.
I'll hold your bag open.
Should I level it out?
Yep. Good job, Jude.
Oh.
You know,
No, I got it.
Make sure you get all of it on in there. Just shake it a little bit. Just drop it.
Yeah.
Okay, one more. Is that a full 2 tablespoons?
Yes.
Alright, so now we're going to add our vanilla.
Ooh.
Vanilla. We're going to put a half a teaspoon of vanilla.
I do.
In each
I do
one.
mine, you do yours.
Okay, you got to be careful with the vanilla though.
Ooh. Yeah, I know.
Alright, let me hold your bag open.
It does it.
Hang on.
It does it quickly. Done?
Nope. You got to fill it up.
Nope. I dropped a little more on there.
Alright. That's good. We didn't show them what a half a teaspoon looked like. Can you show them?
Yes. I know it's a little dirty from the vanilla, but
Oh, there you go.
yeah.
Alright, so now, Jude, I'm going to have you, what we're going to do is we're going to try to
Oh, we made a mess.
it's alright. We're going to squeeze out some of the air before we close it.
So let me get.
Go ahead, Jude. Okay, now we're going to seal it up. Okay.
So half and half the sugar
Now,
and
Jude,
the...
I need you to mix all that together. Okay, now
Shake
that's yes, that is a cup of half and half, 2 tablespoons of sugar, half a teaspoon of vanilla, and I put the same thing in this one, but I'm going to add a couple things to it since I'm doing chocolate ice cream. All right.
And guess what? We trapped the half and half sugar and the vanilla together.
So I'm going to add another half a teaspoon of sugar.
Am I done yet?
Is it all mixed together?
Looks like it.
Okay. So I'm going to do another half teaspoon of sugar. Or a little more. Whoops. Be careful.
Yeah. Sugar makes everything better.
Yeah. All right. Then we're going to add a tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder.
Can I show them where the half? Can I show them where the tablespoon is?
Yep.
It's missed.
Powder. It's very fine powder. I told you we didn't need aprons today. Maybe we should have.
Here
Right.
is the cup. I dumped it.
We don't need the cup yet. I need 1 tablespoon of this.
It smells good.
Smells like chocolate, don't it?
Yeah. Yeah, it's delicious.
Be careful. It's going to go in my
I wanna show
bag.
I want to show you the tablespoon.
Go ahead. You show me.
No, it's a little messy from the cocoa powder. Ooh, I think I just got some on me.
That's all right. It'll wipe off.
Yeah.
All right. So now I'm going to take and I'm going to let some of the air out. Now what I'm doing is I'm just pushing some of the air out and then sealing it. And I'm going to mix all my ingredients together.
I'm just going to shake it a little more.
That's okay. You can shake it up a little more. This recipe is fun because you don't forget to shake too much. All right.
Oh, leave it. Leave it.
Careful, don't let the Ziploc part on snap. All right, so we got our chocolate. So
And I got
now
my vanilla.
comes the fun part.
Ooh. Oh, someone's calling you.
That's okay. Just call him back later. It's the doctor's office. Just leave it alone. Just leave it alone.
Sorry.
It's okay. So now we're going to need 2 of the gallon Ziploc bags. 1 for you, 1 for me.
Do we dump it in?
Okay. Now we actually got to measure out 3 cups of ice.
Okay. Yes.
And we are going to use we've got these little bags of ice that we saved up from our ice maker. You want to hold yours open or hold that one open? That'll be mine, then I'll let you scoop yours in. Okay. So open up your bag a little bit, and then you're going to hold the ice over the gallon bag. Oh.
How about you do mine and I do yours?
Okay.
It's a vice versa. No.
All right, hang on. I'm not done. I got to do one more in there.
Oh, sorry.
It's all right. It really doesn't hurt if you have too much ice in there. So then that's the ice. We're going to set that ice aside.
Oh.
Makes it extra cold. This juice. Have you guys noticed our sign, by the way?
It says baking W chef.
With baking with.
It's the W.
Oh.
I'm Jude and Chef B.
We didn't have enough letters to do all of them, so I said. All right, you ready?
No, I do you.
Yep.
Give me the ice.
I'm surprised we didn't get a Belly MD today.
Oh, sorry.
It's all right. You were excited about showing your belt off again.
I'm gonna do it in the outro.
Oh, in the outro. Okay.
I'll just have to use my hands.
That's fine.
It was not working.
You go.
Yeah.
One more.
I
Get it all.
got it.
My hat kind of looks a little funny today. It's because I pulled it up because it was too snug. I washed it and it shrunk a little bit. All right, good. 3 cups. Oops. All right, so here we go.
Can I eat it?
Yeah, no, it was on the floor. Don't eat it, throw it away. All right, so now what we're going to do is we need to get salt. Now the recipe calls for kosher salt.
Hey, Dad, can I get an ice from the ice maker?
Here, there's some ice right here. Wash your hands though, because you picked it up off the floor.
Okay.
So wash your hands right there in the kitchen. There's some ice for you. So you need, the recipe, like I was saying, calls for kosher salt, but all I have is table salt. So we're going to go ahead and use that. You need 1/3 of a cup. They're dancing back there. All right. So before you get your ice, can you show them what 1/3 looks like?
Oh, yeah, sure.
Can you point to it? It's right here. It's real small, so you got to get close. There you go. All right, so we're going to fill this 1/3 cup entirely with salt.
Is this? Oh, yeah.
And you might be thinking, wow, that's a lot of salt to put in ice cream. But we're actually going to put our bag of our ice cream that we made inside this bigger bag with the ice and salt in it. You're just going to shake the salt over the ice. We're going to do one more. Okay, so now, once you have that,
Woo. That was good.
the reason I push the air out of some of this is because I don't want the bag to pop open, and I just personally feel that if there's less air in there, it'll be less to pop open. So now we got our our ice and our salt, and we're going to drop our ice cream bag into the big bag. You're just going to seal your big bag. Jude, you want to do yours?
Yes.
Okay, you got your salt and your ice in there. No, leave that closed. You're just going to drop the entire bag in here.
I didn't do my salt, I think.
What?
I don't think I did.
I did your salt.
Thank you.
You're welcome. All right, so now we need to shake this for 5 to 7 minutes.
Oh my gosh!
When I did our practice one, I did it for 7 minutes.
So you,
It was pretty hard.
can I do 5?
So maybe if we do 5, it'll be a little softer. But if it comes out too hard, you can always take your sealed bag and run it, like put some water on your hands and just kind of knead it.
Can I set the timer?
Well, we'll start. Go ahead, you can set the timer.
Hey Google. Hey Google. Set a timer for 5 minutes.
Sure, 5 minutes. Starting now.
You just hold your bag and shake it. You can just go side to side, however you want to shake it.
You want to shake it like crazy? Do it!
Shake it like it ain't yours, everybody. Okay. So we're not gonna make you guys sit there and watch us shake our bags for 5 minutes. I actually made one, or before we started. Jude, can you run to the freezer and get it out?
Yep.
Now when it comes out, it's going to probably be all stuck together, all flat. But I threw it in the, hang on. I threw it in the freezer after it got done. After we had finished it, or after our time was up. And now you can't eat all this because we have to have dinner and your mom's going to not be happy with me. So here's our ice cream. Jude, you want to hold it up close so they can see the ice cream?
Ice cream!
Okay, now Jude, you can try just a bite of it. What do I do with my spoon? Jude, go grab a spoon. I don't know what. Now with the chocolate ice cream, what I'm going to do when I have that all done and it's set up is I'm just going to stir in some hazelnut spread. And what you think, Jude?
Delicious.
It's not marshmallows. Look, you didn't get that. It's delicious. All right, so we're going to go ahead and we're going to put this back in the bag, and we'll save it for later. And oh, look, the spoon's in the bag. Huh. All right, guys, we are going to sign off here because we've got a whole lot of shaking to do. We miss you guys so much. I can't wait to be back and see everybody. We will. Can't wait to get back and see everybody. I hope you're all doing well. Make something good today, and make it a great one. What you got to say?
Signing off, Chef Bobby and Chef Assistant Jude. 7 years old, 4 feet 9, originally from LMD, and the current 4-time WWE Heavyweight Champion. Bye.
Bye, guys. Thanks for tuning in.
I got it.